Welcome back to News Watch 12. This morning, turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colberth. Looking at our temperatures, we're all kind of in the same vicinity this morning, which makes it easy for those purposes. As far as storms go, we're kind of seeing a little bit of different things throughout our region.
Yeah, we're tracking some thunderstorms up in northern Klamath County. We're tracking some showers elsewhere, very light showers in Lake County this morning, so a little bit of everything this morning. But the temperatures aren't really a little bit of everything. They're pretty uniform from the east to the west, 40s and 50s primarily this morning. It's the clouds and the moisture in the atmosphere that are actually keeping our temperatures that mild for this morning. All right, here's area number 1 of showers, just very light showers in Lake County. I guess I would call this area number 2, kind of a western Siskiyou County into Josephine County. And then area number 3 is quickly racing off into central and northern Oregon. But earlier, that's what provided us some pretty substantial rainfall. That's the reason that the ground and the pavement is so damp for this morning. Let me show you what happens a little bit later in the day with Stormcast. And by the time we get to lunchtime, I think this is probably when we're going to get a breather today. I'm not saying we're going to be completely dry, but in comparison to what you're about to see, I think this will definitely be considered dry. All right, by the time we get into the afternoon and evening, we're expecting some more showers and thunderstorms to pop up in the West Side Valley. So maybe your evening commute on Interstate 5 could be impacted. And then watch what happens late tonight. You know, usually around this time of the year when the sun goes down, that means that showers and thunderstorms dissipate. Not this time. We are expecting some more showers and thunderstorms to form in Lake County. That'll continue into Saturday morning. Some of this could be some pretty heavy rainfall, and this will continue all throughout the day. Scattered showers and thunderstorms that will eventually dissipate once the sun goes down. So that pattern does hold true for Saturday. Then we should be pretty dry into Sunday. We're going to get some very beneficial rainfall from that round. That's going to be late tonight into Saturday morning for Lake County. Look at this. Maybe some areas could get up to 3/4 of an inch. And then we'll have some pretty beneficial rainfall totals within the west side valleys as well. And how about this for a reversal? Usually we would expect the most beneficial rain to fall along the coast. We'll be lucky if we get more than 1/10 of an inch. For today in the Rogue Valley, if you plan on taking the little ones out to the playground, maybe not the best day to do so. In the afternoon and evening, if I guess you just have to go out to the playground, or if you have to be outside, it would be an excellent day to have the Stormwatch 12 weather app on hand. You can track some of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms with our high-resolution interactive radar. So for today, we're going to have rain and thunderstorms really all throughout the day, especially in the afternoon and evening. Then overnight, most of the thunderstorms will be confined to Lake County, although we're not ruling out some rain to the west of there. If you plan on going up to the national park over the weekend, it's going to be pretty chilly on Saturday, maybe a bit of a wintry mix as those snow levels are going to be right around 6,000 feet. But for Father's Day, that'll be a much better day, much warmer, and seeing a lot more sunshine as well. So the bottom line for the forecast is once again, showers and thunderstorms for today and into Saturday, but will be much sunnier and much warmer for Father's Day, and that nice weather will continue right into next week. Here is your 7-day forecast along the coast. Like I've already mentioned, drying out for Father's Day, then really warming up there along the coast. Look at this. We'll be in the 70s come time for Monday and Tuesday, at least down towards Brookings. And then for Siskiyou County, we are going to be pretty close to 90 degrees, and that's pretty apropos for the first day of summer being on Tuesday. And then for the east side, we're also going to observe some pretty dry conditions, some pretty windy conditions towards the end of next week too. That's a little bit concerning when it comes to fire danger. And then for the mountains, we're going to see that big time warm up. I have a feeling that most of the snowpack will probably be gone by next week. And then for the Rogue Valley, we're also anticipating a pretty big warm up after what's going to be a relatively cool Friday and Saturday.